Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video we have a iPhone and this one is unavailable. But what happens sometimes is that there are different ways how you can fix this issue. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix this issue. So with this, currently as you can see, we have no options to do anything here. So I have to put this into download mode. So I am going to shut down the device and I am going to get the lightning cable. I am going to connect it to my computer and we are going to hook this up to iTunes. This one is type C. So volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Again guys, sometimes it takes a while, just like that. So we are now into the download mode. So guys, the first thing in which you will see is that you will see this screen here and it will say there's a problem with your iPhone, requires to be updated or restore. So we're going to update and there's an update for the phone. And as you can see, if your iPhone can't be updated, you need to restore it to factory settings. What I'm going to do, I'm going to restore the iPhone and I am going to restore and update. So by doing this, it will actually download the iOS version for the phone and we will flash the phone. As you can see here, it's downloading the software update. So as soon as it is completed, we'll flash the phone and we will fix the iPhone being unavailable. So guys, as you can see, the extracting of software started. The extraction is almost finished and the process should take a few minutes. So to fix the unavailable using your PC, this is how you do it. So as you can see guys, the process is started and normally this take a few minutes. So you will want to ensure that your phone is charged and also that you have a good USB cable, because this process is critical. You want to ensure that this is done successfully, that it doesn't damage your phone in any way. So you can see that the process is started there. If you have an iCloud account on your device, it will ask you to re-enter it. That's if you have the protections on, which is Find My Phone. You will need to re-enter your iCloud info or your passcode. But this phone does not have any previous accounts on it, so that's why we are restoring it. We take a look. You can see it's restoring iPhone firmware. The firmware file for this one is 10 gigabytes, which is a lot. So it should take a few minutes, all depending on your computer speed and also your internet speed and you downloading the firmware and restoring. So now it's verifying iPhone restore. So you can see the process being done here, verifying iPhone restore. So guys, it says that your iPhone has been restored to factory settings and is restarting. So as you can see, the job is completed. Now that it is completed, guys, we can unplug the USB cable. This one is a type C. So guys, this is why you need to have sufficient battery charge, because it's a long process. It do take some time. Once you update and restore using iTunes, you need to do this when your battery is charged, and you need to get a proper USB cable as well. So I'm just waiting for this to complete, and then we will be setting up the device. So guys, the device is on, and we will be setting it up. So here we go. So we're going to put in our password quickly. So guys, we have just connected to our Wi-Fi, and if there is a account on this phone before and it is enabled, it will ask us to re-enter the info. If not, we should be able to set the phone up. So as you can see here, we are going to set up some of these features later. Because we need to set a passcode, guys, I am going to just put all zeros for now. And we will enter a iCloud account later. So set up later, set up later, don't share, continue, set up later, not now, continue. So guys, this is how you fix the issue with the iPhone unavailable screen. Very easy, but will take a few minutes. I hope that this was helpful, guys. My name is Lens. Do like, share and subscribe.